Hello traders, this is Dr. Zain Agha from zwinner.com. Here are my forecasts for the week starting Monday the 19th of October until Friday the 23rd of October 2020. Last week none of our targets were met, so here is the new charts I have here. So for this week we are going to go short on the Australian dollar against the US dollar, and our first take profit will be at 0.7005 and the second take profit is going to be at 0.69203 and the stop loss is going to be at 0.7246. On the Euro USD, we're going to go short, and take profit will be, the first one will be at 1.1609 and the second take profit at 1.1445 with the stop loss at 1.2020. Then we have the GBPUSD, and we are going to go short on this one as well, with our first take profit at 1.2673 and the second take profit at 1.2512 with a stop loss at 1.3268. Then we are going to go short also on the USDJPY with the first target at 104.91 and the second target at 104.003 with the stop loss at 106.98. And we are going to go short on the USDCHF as well, with the first take profit at 0.9047 and the second take profit at 0.8997 with the stop loss at 0.9302. Then we're going to go short on USD Canadian dollar with our first take profit at 1.3099 and the second take profit at 1.2994 with the stop loss at 1.3425. And then we're going to go short on the New Zealand dollar US dollar with the first take profit at 0.6509 and the second take profit at 0.6420 and the stop loss at 0.6802. So these are the 7 major pairs, and we're going to go short on all of them. Now in 2 weeks time we're going to have the election in the USA, so hopefully everything turns out okay for you guys. So thank you very much and wish you all the best, and see you next week. Bye bye.